Okay.
Hey.
Oh.
Here.
A doll? That one's a gorilla. She wants to kiss the gorilla. Oh.
You won't kiss mommy or daddy, but you'll kiss a gorilla.
Oh. Take out another one. Take out the red-headed one. Oh. 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 She don't want you doing that hair in the face. Oh.
Dr. Barbie, you're gonna hit it?
Oh, she didn't want that one. It was doctor. You said doctor.
You want it? You want this one?
She says, let's look in this box where all this stuff came from. Oh. Oh.
Still got the headless Barbie.
I thought she threw him down. I didn't know she still had him.
Oh, this one has panties. This is good.
Uh-oh.
Let's get all this out of the way so you can come look through the box. Oh, look. Look.
Oh. Oh, it's a frog. A doll. Where'd that come from?
I don't know. It's not mine. Oh, this one's dressed. And it's not mine. It does something. Maybe not. Do you want to build a snowman?